This is a vintage Lakewood model J78 mini box fan. This fan has been in my family almost 30 years. My family bought it brand new. I think it was a Kmart fan at one time. And this fan has gone through hell for almost 30 years. The plastic grates, they're all busted in the front. Right here, right here, right here. And also on the back too. They're pretty smashed out. And it's all dirty and rusty. It's pretty beat up. It's gone through hell, like I said. The original control on it, I pulled off the knob I think when I was a kid, and we used the pliers to turn the fan on and off. So I found an old shitty box fan in the garbage a few years ago, and I took the control off of it and I installed it on this fan. So yeah, and this is high, medium, and low. That's just a label I drew with magic marker and off. And yeah, it's got stickers attached to it. It's all dirty and rusty. The grates are all smashed, but this fan has outlasted a bunch of other fans that we had. And I'll give a demonstration. And I'll turn her on high. Put her on medium. And I'll put her on low. Turn it off now. Yeah, I think this fan is close to 30 years old. Like I said, this thing runs forever. It's beat to shit, but it has outlasted plenty of our other box fans that we had. This thing just keeps on running, never quits. And yeah, I remember having this fan back when I was in elementary school, and I'm 35 now, and that was probably around 1981 or 1982 or so. And that concludes this video, and I sure hope you enjoyed it. Bye.